Ekiwunge ky'eddagala ki National Drug Authority kikoze ekikwekweto kubabba eddagala lya gavumenti mu disitulikiti y'e Ibanda mwe kikwatidde abantu basatu n'eddagala ly'ebisolo. Abakwate bano kuliko Lukunda Benenego, Abagasira Nathan nga bano batunda eddagala lya bisolo saako ni Mwesigwa Ivan avunaanyizibwa ku ddagala lya gavumenti mu sitoowa za gavumenti mu disitulikiti y'e Ibanda.
A private who has been running an illegal drug shop was committing about 4 different drug-related crimes. One, he was running an illegal drug shop. This is not the first time we've impounded this drug shop. 3 times we've impounded and he has restocked. But most importantly, he has been re-labeling both acaricides, dewormers, and vaccines. He's been removing one label and putting another for the expensive.
Bano basangiddwa nga bajja obulambo obw'enjawulo ku ddagala lya gavumenti okusobola okulitunda.
That the worms will not die. He's charging the farmer a lot of money. The one for 30 or 15 is you end up buying it at 30 when it is the same molecule. But that is beyond the money. You are underdosing your animal. For the acaricide, the one of 70 is been putting a label of 120. And you know, as the farmer is trying to rotate the different molecule, he's actually taking you back to the same.
Abias Lwamweri ategeeza nti ekikolwa ky'abantu bano kiviiriddeko abalunzi okukosebwa. Abakwate tukitegedde ng'essaawa yonna bagenda kusimbibwa mu mbuga z'amateeka baggulweko emisango okuli ogw'okusangibwa n'eddagala lya gavumenti ssaako n'okumenya sitoowa za gavumenti ne babbamu eddagala.
Rukundo to Kampala and will be presented to the Chief Magistrate in Makindye that is in charge of the Wildlife and Utilities Court, where we are preferring about 3 charges. One, conducting a business of a pharmacist without license, counterfeiting, illegal possession of government stores. And also he's been carrying out, he's been operating some animals. We found him with a kit. He's a paravet, he's a diploma holder, and he's been carrying out the work of a vet surgeon.
Sebugenyi Joseph yakusakidde eggulire lino ku lwa KTV amalinditire.